Hello viewers, today we are going to see a DIY water lemon face pack which will make you glow like never before. So welcome to Food and Healthcare. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you would never miss on any of my upcoming posts. Seasonal fruits will always make your skin glow, not only if you consume or include them in your diet, but also when you directly apply them on your skin. And one such fruit is watermelon. The sweet red fruit contains several vitamins, antioxidants, which will give you a clear and brighter skin in no time. Watermelon helps fight early signs of aging and treats sunburn and suntan. It is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants, which is really very good for our skin. On the other hand, yogurt is a great ingredient for the skin as well as an exfoliant. It removes the dead skin cells from the topmost layer of our skin. Our third ingredient is honey. It helps in removing tan, treating acne, reducing scars, and dark spots. It also provides instant glow. When all these three ingredients come together, you get a mask that can give you a healthy, supple and radiant skin. Now, to prepare this mask, you have to mash 2 slices of watermelon. Make sure these are de-seeded. Mash it nicely. I have freezed it. Freezed it as in I have refrigerated it. And now I am mashing it. Mash it completely. See, it is completely mashed now. It will take some time. And then add in a teaspoon of curd. Then our third ingredient, that is a teaspoon of honey. Mix all these three well. Mix it nicely and then apply it on your face and neck with a piece of cotton. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water for fresh and glowing skin. Apply it every alternate day for that radiant and glowing skin. Do try this DIY watermelon face pack to keep those annoying acne, blackheads and oil at bay. And let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so that my upcoming post reach to you. Thank you.